Hello students, today we are going to solve another problem from the Uttarakhand ESO mains paper. It was based on the differential equations and you have to find out the series solution of a equation d square y upon dx square plus y equals to 0. Now let's give a quick revision into the series solution. Suppose we have a differential equation of the form y double dash plus px y dash plus qx y 0. Then if x equals to 0 is an ordinary point of this equation, then the general solution of this equation will has this kind of a form, that is y equals to summation which runs from n equals to 0 to infinity a n x to the power n. It will give us a1 y1 x plus a2 y2 x, where a1 and a2 are arbitrary constants and y1 x and y2 x are linearly dependent functions analytic at x equals to 0. Now what we have to do is we have to substitute into the left hand side of the homogeneous differential equation the power series together with the power series of y dash and y double dash. Means we have y equals to this one, this series, and we have to calculate dy over dx and y double dash, that is d square y upon dx square from this equation, and then substitute these into the our original given question, and then collect power of x and set the coefficients of each power of x equals to 0, as the differential equation has the form y double dash plus some px y dash plus q x y equals to 0. That's why we are collecting the power of x and setting the coefficient of each power of x equals to 0, because right hand side is 0. The equation obtained by setting the coefficient of x to 0 in step 2 will contain a term, means it will give us the value of a0, a1 and so on, and it will give us a general form that is termed as a recurrence relation in its constants, and then we use this recurrence formula to determine all the other values of a, j, and then substitute the coefficient determined in this step into our equation and rewrite the solution, and that will give us our final answer. In general, we have this kind of a solution. We have to find out y dash and y double dash, then substitute these into the original asked question, and then try to find out the general solution or the recurrence formula between the different coefficients in the equation, and then finally it will give us the answer. Now come to your original problem. In this case px equals to 0. Compare this equation with y double dash plus px y dash plus qx y equals to 0. We have px equals to 0 because we don't have any term in the form of y dash, and qx will be 0, and x equals to 0 is an arbitrary point for this equation, as here the coefficient of this d square y upon dx square is 1, which is ineffective of the value of x. That is why we can solve this problem using series solution. Now this is the general form of our solution, that is y equals to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square and an xn plus and up to so on. Dy over dx will be, when we differentiate this equation, we will have dy over dx will be a1 plus 2a2x plus 3a3x square plus so on, and an x to the power n minus 1 plus n plus 1 an plus 1 x to the power n plus n plus 2 an plus 2 x n plus 1. Similarly, When we differentiate this equation, we will have d square y over dx square. It will give us 2a2 plus 6a3x plus n into n minus 1 an x to the power n minus 2 plus n plus 1 n a n plus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus n plus 2 n plus 1 a n plus 2 x to the power n plus and so on. Now replace the value of d square y upon dx square and this y in this original equation. We will have this. Now what we have to do is we have to collect the coefficients of x. Now we have here the constant coefficients are 2a2 plus a0, means we have to equate these as 0. It will give us 2a2 plus a0 equals to 0 and 6a3x plus a1x will be equals to 0, means we will have equating, when we equate each coefficient to 0, we have 2a2 plus a0 equals to 0 and 6a3 plus a1 equals to 0, 12a4 plus a2 equals to 0 and so on. Or when we generalize this term, when we compare the coefficients of x to the power n, we will have n plus 2, n plus 1, an plus 2 plus an x to the an will be equals to 0, means the generalization formula or the recurrence of this given question will be n plus 2, n plus 1, a n plus 2 plus an equals to 0, which we can rewrite it as a n plus 2 equals to minus 1 upon n plus 2 n into n plus 1 an. Now what we have to do is we have to calculate the value of a's, means a2, a3, a4 and so on, simply by replacing n equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on. We will have a2 equals to minus 1 upon 2 factorial a0, a3 will give us minus 1 upon 3 factorial a1, a4 will be 1 upon 4 factorial a0, a5 will be 1 upon 5 factorial a1, a6 will be minus 1 upon 6 factorial a0 and a7 will be minus 1 upon 7 factorial a1. When we replace these values in our solution, this solution, then we will have y will be equals to a0 plus a1x minus 1 upon 2 a0 x square plus 1 upon 3 factorial a1 x cube plus 1 upon 4 factorial a0 x to the power 4 plus 1 upon 5 factorial a1 x to the power 5 minus and so on. Now when we separate these as in the form of a0, or this can be rewrite as a0 minus 1 upon 2 a0 x square plus 1 upon 4 a0 x to the power 4. When you check this pattern, it will give us a constant a0 and this is the expansion of the series cos x, and this one, that is, this is a0 cos x, and this one is when we collect a1x minus 1 upon 3 a1x cube plus 1 upon 5 a1x to the power 5 and so on, it is the expansion of the series a1 sin x. Okay. Hence the final solution will be y equals to a0 cos x plus a1 sin x, and by simply replacing these a0 and a1 by c1 and c2, we will have y equals to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. This will be our final answer.